I was interviewing the senior vice president of digital transformation right at the top, and he was describing to me how they did this. And each day they had their daily stand-ups and they huddled up 10, 15 minutes and they went around in a circle. And the leader of that team asked the question to the team, what do we need to do today? And the key phrase being today to keep our people safe. What do we need today to keep our customers connected? And they went around and each person on the team had to say what they thought. They unlocked the potential of the organization because they had a very clear mission that was externally focused, that was highly emotive, that was something that could rally, but they operationalized it through the act of the huddles, the stand-ups, and the manager leading the conversation with what do we need to do today? Not next week, not next month, not next quarter, today. And of course, what that does is empowers action. And any of the roadblocks that were coming up, the manager had to report upwards in the organization. So they also had mechanisms to deal with conflict, and they put structures and processes in